हेलो गाइस, अब हम आगे क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। क्वेश्चन 51 था, द मोड ऑफ प्रूफ ऑफ अ कस्टम इज कंटेन्ड इन, तो इसका ऑप्शन है ऑल ऑफ द अबव बिकॉज इट्स कंटेन्ड इन 32(4), 32(7) एंड सेक्शन 48 ऑफ इंडियन एविडेंस एक्ट। और क्वेश्चन 52 है, द केस ऑफ पकाला नरेन स्वामी वर्सेस एम्परर इज रिलेटेड टू, आंसर है बी, डाइंग डिक्लेरेशन। क्वेश्चन 53 है, डॉक्ट्रिन ऑफ एस्टॉपल इज अ, ऑप्शन आंसर है बी, रूल ऑफ इक्विटी। Then question 54 है, presumption as to abatement of suicide by a married woman has been provided in, इसका आंसर है C, section 113(b) of Indian Evidence Act. Sorry, 113A of the Indian Evidence Act. 113B is presumption as to dowry and death है. 55 है, Zahira Sheikh was the prime witness in, आंसर है A, best bakery cake. 56, sweeping change introduced by the CPC Amendment Act 2002 is with the object of, इसका है C, to cut short the delay in disposal of suits. Next है, the rule of Damdupad is, आंसर है B, a rule relating to interest. ये उन केसेस से रिलेटेड है जहाँ पे पार्टीज हिंदूज होती हैं. क्वेश्चन 58 है, अ कमीशन टू मेक लोकल इन्वेस्टिगेशन कैन बी इशूड अंडर, सो इट कैन बी इशूड अंडर ऑर्डर 26 रूल 9. Question 59, the ground for review have been provided under, answer है A, order 47 rule 1. और question 60, a caveat shall not remain in force after the expiry of, answer है C, 90 days. 61, the classification of compoundable and non-compoundable offence has been provided under, answer है A, first schedule of CRPC में. और क्वेश्चन 62, a confession under section 164 of CRPC can be recorded by a metropolitan or a judicial magistrate only. It cannot be recorded by an executive magistrate. आंसर है 62 का A. 63 है, 167 of CRPC for offences other than those punishable with death, imprisonment for life or imprisonment for period not less than 10 years, the detention during investigation can be authorized for a total period of, आंसर है 60 days. Can be authorized for a total period of 60 days. 167 CRPC के अकॉर्डिंग. Question 64, where the husband has obtained decree of divorce against the wife on the ground of desertion under section 125. तो 64 का है A, it is no bar for the wife to claim maintenance against the husband. ओके, ये सुप्रीम कोर्ट का डिसीजन था 2019 में. सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कहा था कि इफ़ द वाइफ इज़, इफ़ अ डिवोर्सी is living separately and she can still claim maintenance under 125, although she was divorced on the ground of desertion. Now she cannot be asked as required under section 125. It won't be justified to ask her to come and live with the husband because they are divorced. Question 65. The section dealing with medical examination of the victim of rape as inserted by CRPC Amendment Act 2005 is, so the answer is A, 164A. Okay, और सी 164A और 53A. 164A में विक्टिम ऑफ रेप का मेडिकल एग्जामिनेशन है, 53A में मेडिकल एग्जामिनेशन ऑफ द रेप अक्यूज्ड है. 166A और 166B में क्या है? 166A में है लेटर टू अ फॉरेन कंट्री फ्रॉम इंडिया टू इन्वेस्टिगेट इन दैट कंट्री. 166B में है लेटर टू एन इंडियन टू इंडिया फ्रॉम अ फॉरेन कंट्री टू इन्वेस्टिगेट इन इंडिया. 66. The arbitrator in case of international commercial arbitration is appointed by C, Chief Justice of India. An application for setting aside arbitral award must be made by the party after receiving the award within 3 months. Answer A, option A. और ये आर्टिकल सेक्शन 34(3) में प्रोवाइडेड है. क्वेश्चन 68. The provision for the appointment of the conciliator is laid down, आंसर है A, सेक्शन 64. 69 question. The Provincial Small Causes Courts Act 1887 came into force on 1st July 1887. Question 70. Who is authorized to abolish courts of small causes? Answer है B, the state government. Question 71. Who proposed the preamble before the drafting committee of the constitution? Answer है A, Jawaharlal Nehru. 72. When was the first meeting of the Constituent Assembly held? Answer है B, 9 December. 73. The task of making the constitution was over on A, 26th November 1949. Question: the concept of fundamental rights was borrowed from the B US Constitution. 75. What is the aim of DPSP in the Constitution? Answer है A, to establish a welfare state. Question 76. Which committee is related to Panchayati Raj Committee? तो बलवंत राय मेहता committee is related to Panchayati Raj, and Maliwat is related to criminal reform system. और question 77. Which constitutional amendment is known as mini amendment? Mini constitution. Answer है B, 42nd amendment. 78th question. Who has served as India's 12th president? Answer is C, Pratibha Patil. 13th was Pranab Mukherjee, and 14th is Mr. Ramnath Kovind. Question 79. Who appoints the Advocate General of the state? So the governor appoints. Answer is C. Question 80. The post of Deputy Prime Minister is B, non-constitutional. 81. Which part of the Constitution of India deals with finance, property, contract and suits? Answer is A, part 12. Question 82. Which article of the Indian Constitution talks about audits of account of cooperative societies? तो आंसर है D, 243 ZM. Question 83. 279 of the Indian Constitution defines B, calculation of net proceeds. और 280 में क्या दे रखा है? Finance Commission दे रखा है. Question 84 है, in which of the following cases Justice Hidayatullah held that preamble is the very soul of the Constitution, eternal and unalterable? Answer है B, Golaknath case. Question 85. Who among the following has said preamble is an epitome of basic structure of the Constitution? It was said in Sajjan Singh versus State of Rajasthan, and it was said by Justice Gajendra Katkar. A. Question 86. The concept of equal protection of law enshrined under Article 14 of the Indian Constitution finds its root from the answer B, American Constitution. In which of the following cases Supreme Court held that the equality clause cannot be applied to legitimize an illegal action? It was held in Vishal Properties Private Limited versus State of UP. Article 14 is not meant to perpetuate an illegality. Promotion of international peace and security under the purview of which article of the Indian Constitution is provided? Answer is C, Article 51. As per Article 77 of Indian Constitution, all executive actions of the Government of India shall be expressed to be taken in the name of C, the President. Supreme Court of India declared which constitutional amendment as unconstitutional? 99th Amendment unconstitutional था. इसमें क्या आया था? एनजैक आया था. Question 91. What is the minimum number of judges who are to sit for the purpose of deciding any case involving substantial question of law as to the interpretation of the Constitution? So 91 का है B, 5 judgment जो Constitution Bench कहलाती है. Question 92. The Comptroller and Auditor General of India shall submit his report relating to the accounts of the Union to the किसको सबमिट करेगा? सी, प्रेसिडेंट को सबमिट करेगा. ये आर्टिकल 151 में प्रोवाइडेड है, एंड कैग इटसेल्फ हिमसेल्फ इज प्रोवाइडेड इन आर्टिकल 148. एंड देन द प्रेसिडेंट मेक्स द रिपोर्ट टू बी प्रेजेंटेड बिफोर द पार्लियामेंट. Question 93 है, which one of the following has exclusive power to expand all India service? Article 312 में provided है that Rajya Sabha has the power to ask the parliament to empower the parliament to pass a law providing for all India service. 93. Then 94 says, according to the Indian Constitution, which one of the following is the language of the Union? So Hindi in Devanagari script. B. 95. Which article of the Indian Constitution saves the judgment of the Privy Council? Answer है D, Article 395. Okay, it talks about repeals. So it repeals Government of India Act in 1935 and Indian Independence Act 1947. But the judgments of Privy Council is saved in this. Okay, or yes. Question 96 है, who was the chairman of the first commission on the review of the Indian Constitution? So Justice Venkatacharya. A. Or question 97. Which one of the following writs is known as judicial remedy? Answer है A, habeas corpus. 98. Every proclamation issued under 352 shall be laid before each house of the parliament. A. 99. The Finance Commission consists of okay, this I'm not sure about. Then the composition of the UPSC is determined by the president. okay, is determined by the president, 100 ka C. And 101, article 340 of the Indian constitution deals with a backward class, because election commission provided in 324, UPSC is provided in 315, finance commission in 280. 102, question, according to which article of the constitution the term district judge shall not include a tribunal judge, is provided in 236A. 236A, okay. Or question 103, mainly on whose advice the president's rule is imposed in a state. See, it's on the report of the governor, so we'll go with B. Varna, the president works on the aid and advice of the union cabinet only. लेकिन यहाँ सवाल से ये समझ में आ रहा है दैट दे आर आस्किंग ऑन हुज रिपोर्ट, तो आंसर होगा यहाँ पे बी, द गवर्नर. In which article the doctrine of due process of law is provided? So it's provided in article, although it's not expressly provided anywhere, but it is assumed to be there in article 21. Article 21 में the terms used are procedure established by law. लेकिन after Maneka Gandhi judgment, due process of law has also been included implicitly, has been read into it. Question 105, the doctrine of separation of power was systematically formulated by B. Montesquieu. Question 106, the rule of law means supremacy of judiciary, supremacy of law, equality before law, supremacy of the parliament. Answer है D, 2 and 3, मतलब supremacy of law and equality before the law. 107, मैच द फॉलोइंग. सो मैच द फॉलोइंग का आंसर है ए, ए का 2, दैट इज अब्यूज ऑफ डिस्क्रिशन इज रिलेटेड टू लैक ऑफ पावर, इक्वालिटी बिफोर लॉ इज रिलेटेड टू रूल ऑफ लॉ, डेलीगेटेड लेजिस्लेशन इज रिलेटेड टू सबऑर्डिनेट लेजिस्लेशन, एंड सेपरेशन ऑफ पावर क्रिएट्स चेक्स एंड बैलेंसेस. 108, which one of the following statement is true? Answer B, delegated legislation can have retrospective effect if authorized by the act or statute. 109, the application of doctrine of vicarious liability in crime seems to have been actuated by a necessity rather than desirability. Justification is based on which of the following? It's based on A, public policy. 110, question, administrative law is the law concerning the powers and procedure of administrative agencies, including specially the law governing judicial review of administrative action. This definition was given by Casey Davis. Okay, Ivor Jennings simply said that law relating to administration is administrative law. A very easy definition he gave. Wade said law of organization and service provided by various administrative agencies of the government, that is administrative law. Or further then, the author of Daya Bhag was Jimut Vahan. और विज्ञानेश्वर ने क्या लिखा है? मीताक्षरा. और वशिष्ठ ने क्या लिखा है? मंडल, 7th मंडल ऋग्वेद में. ओके. और नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, अंडर विच सेक्शन ऑफ हिंदू मैरिज एक्ट 1955 अ हिंदू मैरिज मे बी डिक्लेयर्ड एज वॉइड? सो आंसर है सी, सेक्शन 11 में. ओके, 11 में वॉइड है, 9 में रेस्टिट्यूशन ऑफ कंजुगल राइट्स, 10th में जुडिशियल सेपरेशन, 11 में वॉइड, 12 में वॉइडेबल. Okay. Next question, section 16 of the Hindu Marriage Act 1955 does not confer status of legitimacy to a child born without marriage. Okay, baki it confers legitimacy on valid child born out of a valid marriage, of a voidable marriage, or of a void marriage. But when there is no marriage, so it doesn't talk about it. Then 114, under Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act 56, a child to be adopted should not have, in the absence of a valid custom, completed the age of D 15 years. Question 115, after Hindu Succession Amendment Act 2005, the Mitakshara Hindu Kopassanary does not include whom as its member? Answer है D, daughter-in-law. Question 116, a Hindu male is survived by an adopted son and after born natural son and his married daughter. His self-acquired property shall devolve upon all the three of them equally. 117, a Hindu female is survived by a stepson, a married daughter and an illegitimate son. Her property shall devolve upon, answer D, her daughter and her illegitimate son. On partition of a Hindu Kopasni property, the person not entitled for a share is an illegitimate son. Sorry, ये चेक करना पड़ेगा. Question 119, Sridhan does not include the chastity of a woman, of a female. Okay. Question 120, the legal position of Hindu idol is that of a D, Hindu minor. 121, among the sources of Hindu law, the foremost is D, Quran. 120, the Sunni law does not recognize B, muta या फिर temporary marriage. Question 123. A Muslim marriage without dower is sorry, ये भी check करना पड़ेगा. 124. A gift in favor of an unborn child is D. void. 125. A bequest made may be made to a child in the womb provided it is born from the date of the will within 6 months. Okay. 126. A waqf cannot be created for construction of a church. The difference of ages between the acknowledger and the acknowledged child must be at least 12.5 years. The custody of a minor wife shall be with her father. An illegitimate Shia Mohammedan dies intestate. His property will be inherited by his mother. A Shia Muslim already having 4 wives has contracted a 5th marriage. The 5th marriage is void. C. And then there is matching the list. So इसका आंसर है D. Question number 131 का है D. That is A4, B2, C1, D3. Let's see. A4 feeding the grand by estoppel section 43 में है. So doctrine of subrogation section 92 में है. Doctrine of accumulation section 17 में है. Rule against perpetuity section 14 में है. The provision regarding the doctrine of substituted security is contained under which of the following section of TPA? आंसर है C 73. देन है 133. Consider the following statement regarding the distinction between lease and license. So इसमें आंसर है D 1, 3 and 4. Okay, 1, 3 and 4 क्या है? A lease can be assigned but a license cannot be assigned. A lease is a transfer of an interest in a land, whereas a license does not create an interest in land. 4. A lease cannot be revoked until the end of the term, but a license, subject to certain exceptions, can be revoked. So D. 134. Writing and registration are not required in which one of the following mortgages? So it's not required in C, simple mortgage. 135. Which of the following does not constitute exception to the rule against perpetuity? Answer A. A fund is bequeathed to next 7th generation. 136. The literary meaning of lis pendens is B. A suit under consideration of any court of law. 137. Which one of the following section of TPA provides for competency to transfer any immovable property? Answer is D. In section 7. Okay. 138. Under which section of the TPA there is restriction for accumulation of property beyond certain period? Answer is B. Section 14. That is rule against perpetuity. 138. We have 139. The principle of marshalling and contribution is in principle under the law of TPA, which relates to a matter of security. 139 ka C. 140. Where a gift is made of a property which is not in existence, which one of the following section of TPA declares it void? Answer है A. Section 124. Okay. Or 141. The primary source of equity is B. Conscience. 142. The statutory recognition of principles of equity is not found in Indian Sale of Goods Act 1930. 142. 143 is equity has threefold jurisdiction: exclusive, concurrent, and auxiliary. It was said by Roscoe-Pound. 144. English rules of equity A have been substantially incorporated by the Indian legislature. 145. A trust is extinguished in which of the following conditions? So answer is D, all of the above. That is, when the trust being revocable is expressly revoked, when its purpose is completely fulfilled, when its purpose becomes unlawful. Answer is D, all of the above. 146. Breach of trust is defined in it's given and under section 3 only. Section 3 is the interpretation clause. 147, definition clause. Who among the following cannot create a trust? Answer is B, a minor. 148. Recovery of specific immovable property may be made under section 5 of Specific Relief Act according to A, law of Code of Civil Procedure. 149. The general principle on which the perpetual injunctions could be granted is contained in C, section 38. 150. The relief by way of mandatory injunction is A, discretionary. So this was the whole paper. Okay, अब बाद में देखते हैं. Bye bye.